Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm excited to announce that I'll be doing 2 free public lectures in Maastricht next week, which will be Wednesday, 29th of April, and then Thursday, the 30th of April. So if you're in the Maastricht area and are interested in coming to the university to hear me lecture, here's your chance. So the first lecture on Wednesday will be on the mythology of artificial intelligence, and here's a little blurb they've written up. AI in itself may not actually be that interesting. However, the way we perceive and respond to the idea marks a central tendency of human civilization spanning the rise of mythopoetic outlook through digital technology and now AI. By reflecting on how the narrative of AI is presented and distributed, we learn much about our deeply ingrained cultural outlooks. So that will be the lecture on Wednesday, and like I said, that will be somewhere in Maastricht. Let's see, it will be Student Services Center. I cannot even say this word in Dutch. Bonifanestraat 2, Maastricht. Karl Dietrich Hall. I like that. Karl Dietrich Hall Student Services Center, somewhere in Maastricht. Anyway, there's a link for both of these, which I'll include in the description of the video. And they're asking you to register. It's free, but there's just a little thing to sign up if you would like to attend. And the second one, which will be on Thursday that was Thursday, April 30th at 1:30, and that is on how things mean. And this is an exploration of how we construct meaning in the world. So I would say the first lecture on artificial intelligence will be sort of phenomenological, and the second lecture will be much more ontologically focused. So is that helpful? Probably not helpful. Big words. What do they mean? The second lecture on how things mean will be an exploration of when we ask the question of what things mean, we rarely ask the question of what are the structures below that allow that meaning to resonate with us and seem meaningful. So it'll be an exploration of that. And I'll use a single parable that will tear apart and put back together and tear apart and put back together to sort of make it clear what's going on sort of behind the scenes in our minds that make all of the processing of this information possible. And I'd like to thank Sakali and everyone at the University of Maastricht for inviting me and making this possible. Can't tell you how excited I am, because when you move to a country where you don't speak the language, but you've spent the last couple of years of your life doing public lectures, wow, it's a bad idea. It just goes to show I'm not that smart. So I'm very much looking forward to having a live audience and working with students again. And so I hope and think it will be great. I'm sure they will be great, and Maastricht will be wonderful. We'll have to see how I do, but hopefully I'll do all right. I'm definitely looking forward to it. So anyway, if you are interested and you're in the Maastricht area next week, please feel free to drop by, and I'll put the links in for registration, which again is free, but they've just asked people to register ahead of time so they have some sense of how many folks are going to show up. So links below, and thank you very much.